guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make clear slime with just one ingredient, and it won't stick in your hands and you can play with it. So yeah, we need just some glue, but glue is again super glue, I think. Yeah, you have to be Uhu glue. You can use other brand, I don't know, but Uhu brand works. So I don't know the other works or not. So yeah, and some water, another container of and something to mix with. So if you hear the background noise, I'm actually watching SpongeBob. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pour the water here because this is stable. So first we're gonna add our glue into our or whatever you call that, a container. So I think this is enough. Then we're gonna add some water in it. A little bit works. Then we're gonna mix. So you'll be seeing it's like turning to slime. Just have to mix and mix and mix until you like have your consistency. You think so? I'm gonna add some more and mix. Too much water, so I'm gonna pour it here because I don't want to spill. So I'm gonna slowly take everything out. First, I'm gonna pour the excess water out here. Then I'm slowly gonna take out my slime. So since it's here's water, I'm not gonna like leave it. So it's like this. I'm gonna take everything out, and I'll be seeing you in a while. So I've kind of taken it out. It's like small because I had a little bit. So it can open a bubble, and it's super stretchy. Yeah. It actually dries fast because it's Yoo-hoo glue, and yeah, it's also like kind of satisfying, but you can't really hear because it's a small piece, and yeah. So yeah. Bye.